Alright, Captain Allen, tell the good folks at home what me and you fishing with here on the Bad Waters Eagle Flat Flyer boat. Looks like you got some Florida cracker bait there to me.
Florida cracker bait, specialty live shrimp, under a Cajun Thunder, orange corn. It won't be long now, we'll have another trout headed toward the boat.
Sure will be nice when that old noisy airboat gets on by. Get everything set up here. These old trout hit pretty good there. Patience is a virtue though. You gotta have some of it if you're gonna fish, that's for sure. Alright, there, Alan, what you got on there, buddy?
Gulf of Mexico's trout.
There we go. Nice fish, nice fish. Looks like he'd probably be a good legal fish anyway. What you think?
He's gonna be close.
That's right.
Throw him on the scale and check him out here and measure stick here.
That's right. Lay him up there. Let's see what he measured to. Boy, 15 and a quarter. That's jam up, jam up. Good
Fine
fish.
fish right there.
Good eating. That's right. Put him in there. Put him in there. Fine Horseshoe Beach, Gulf of Mexico speckled trout. Just a beautiful day out here. We're just having a hell of a time. Everybody that didn't like that can just excuse my language or go to another website.
That's right.